Hey guys, welcome to another Mastering Meraki video, a complete Meraki Dashboard training series brought to you by Rhino Networks. In this walkthrough, we're going to explore the Cameras section of the Meraki Dashboard. This section serves as the primary interface for monitoring and managing an organization's camera deployment. Within this area, administrators can view live camera activity, review recorded footage, and adjust the configuration of individual devices from a single centralized workspace. This design makes it easier to understand how cameras are operating across the network, while also supporting day-to-day oversight and more detailed investigation when needed. The dashboard also provides clear visibility into the status of deployed cameras, helping you quickly recognize when devices are functioning normally or when attention may be required. Let's take a look at the different pages in this section. The main Cameras page provides a centralized view of all cameras within the selected network. From this page, you can quickly see the status of each device, including whether a camera is online, offline, or experiencing connectivity issues. At the top, you can see we have 4 different widgets that display the connectivity state of our cameras: offline, alerting, online, and dormant. You can click on each one of these and it will filter the camera in the table below. This table displays key information such as the camera name, model, location, and current health, allowing you to understand the state of the deployment at a quick glance. You can also click on the camera's name to open up its detailed view. This page is filled with useful information: analytics, location, event log, and much more. The Video Wall page allows administrators to create and view customizable layouts that display live feeds from multiple cameras at the same time. Video walls are designed to provide a broad visual overview of important areas, which can be especially useful for security teams or operation centers that need to monitor several locations simultaneously. You can organize camera feeds into grid-based layouts and select which cameras appear in each position. Once configured, these walls provide a persistent monitoring interface that can be displayed on a dedicated screen or workstation. The drop-down in the top right corner allows us to configure auto-rotation between sets of cameras, and the duration of each rotation. Directly under that drop-down, there is a Share button that allows us to export video from the video wall. Just select a time frame, and then press the blue Export button that appears. The Video Access page provides you with visibility into how video footage is being accessed within the network. This page records when users view, export, or otherwise interact with camera video, creating an audit trail that helps organizations maintain accountability and oversight. Each entry typically includes the user who accessed the footage, the camera involved, and the time and date the action occurred. Clicking here, you can change the time range of the activity log. In the top right, you will find a blue button that allows us to export this table into a CSV file. You can also press this second tab at the top to view an external user log. The Video Exports page provides a record of video clips that have been exported from cameras within the network. When a user creates an export from recorded footage, the request is logged and displayed on this page along with relevant details such as the camera involved, the time range of the exported clip, and the user who initiated the export. Next, let's move to the Meraki Vision portal. This will open up a brand new window in your browser. This page gives us a dedicated workspace for video investigation, designed around the tasks that security and operations teams perform most often. Instead of emphasizing device configuration, this interface focuses on finding, reviewing, and sharing footage with speed and precision. From this portal, users can move between cameras across networks, watch live video feeds, and examine historical footage through an interactive timeline built for investigation workflows. We can easily change cameras using our list over here on the left side of the screen. Right above our list of cameras, you'll find the Walls section. Here we can put together a video wall. All you have to do is drag the different cameras into our new wall. You can save your video wall by pressing the blue Save button. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see our timeline. Using this, you can scrub through your footage and check the cameras at any time you need. At the top left part of the screen, you'll see a small button that says Motion. Clicking this will allow us to make a motion search within our footage. For example, let's say I'm trying to investigate our footage for an incident that happened on this particular piece of sidewalk. I can use our motion search to highlight this part of the screen, and our search will give me all of the times where there was movement in our highlighted area within the given time range. Next to the Motion button, you'll find the Export button. You can use this to export video clips within the time frame that you've set here. You can then press the blue Export button to download your footage. If you look at the icons on the left, we're going to click on Event Search. Event Search makes it easier to find and track individuals involved in an incident or vehicles that happen to get in an accident across your network. To start our search, we can click the blue Select Cameras button. From here, we can select up to 4 cameras to use in our search. On the left-hand side, we can set a specific time frame for our search here. This is where things get really interesting. You can search for people by the color of their clothing, or search for different types of vehicles based on their color as well. At the bottom, we can set the minimum event duration as well. Let's go ahead and close this window and go back to the dashboard. The last 2 links under the Monitor section are for Meraki Display and the Meraki mobile app. The Meraki Display page allows organizations to turn a screen, television, or dashboard display into a persistent viewing surface for selected camera feeds. The Meraki mobile app page sends us to a Meraki documentation page where we can download the Meraki mobile app. Through the app, users can view live camera streams, review recorded video, and receive alerts directly to their phone or tablet. The mobile experience mirrors many of the core monitoring capabilities found in the web dashboard, while adapting them to a mobile interface designed for quick access and navigation. Last but not least, let's take a look at the Camera Profiles page. This page allows you to apply consistent configuration settings across multiple cameras at once. Rather than configuring each camera individually, Profiles acts as reusable templates that define how cameras record video and retain footage. This approach simplifies management, especially in larger deployments where cameras may share similar operational requirements. At the top of the page, the first tab allows us to create and manage quality and retention profiles. These profiles control how cameras capture and store video. At the top right, this blue button allows you to create a new profile. Within a profile, administrators select video characteristics such as resolution, quality level, and retention behavior. These settings determine how much detail is captured in the video stream and how long recordings remain stored on the camera. Because different camera models support different resolutions and capabilities, the page includes a table where settings can be adjusted per model. This ensures the profile applies appropriate values for each device type in the deployment. The interface also estimates the average number of days of video retention based on the selected configuration. Pressing the 3 little dots at the top right of each profile box allows you to edit or delete a profile. The second tab at the top is for wireless profiles. This page allows you to define wireless connection settings that can be applied to supported Meraki cameras. Instead of configuring Wi-Fi credentials on each device individually, a wireless profile stores the network name, authentication method, and required security settings all in one place. Cameras assigned to the profile automatically use these parameters when connecting to a wireless network. And just like before, the blue button in the top right corner of the page allows us to add a new wireless profile. The Schedules tab allows you to define time-based recording behavior for cameras. Instead of recording continuously, schedules can specify when cameras should actively capture video. Each schedule is built around a weekly timeline, where you can designate specific days and time ranges during which recording should occur. Once created, these schedules can be assigned to cameras so that recording automatically follows the defined timetable. This capability is particularly useful in environments where activity is expected only during certain hours, such as businesses that operate during the day but close at night. And that's all of the camera pages within the Meraki dashboard. Together, these pages form a comprehensive environment for managing and monitoring a Meraki camera deployment. The Cameras section enables you to maintain visibility, respond to events, and ensure your video infrastructure continues to operate reliably. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.